Okay, so this is the second trade of 21st May 2024 intraday. This is Indian stock market and the stock name is Hindustan Copper. And this is the daily chart updated up to the previous day. And so what do we see here in this chart? It is very clear the price, the most recent candle is pushed by this swing low, and this swing low is coming from this bullish fair value gap inefficiency, and also that is propelled by these type of swing lows here, and these are coming from this order block. So therefore we are there is no reason for being bearish here. We are completely bullish, and our target should be up to this drawn liquidity, because from here to here we don't find any other swing highs or any other inefficiencies. So therefore from here to here we are bullish. So having that in mind, what do we see today? So first of all, we see that price is actually gapped up and then coming down and down, and then it started reacting from where? From this area, and this is clearly an order block, bullish order block. And also we had inefficiencies here, so which makes it a good order block, and this order block is coming from another order block here. So therefore everything lines up. That means now from this area we observe that we already have market structure shift here. This is a market structure shift because this high is responsible for producing this low, and so when this high is broken by this, we call it a market structure shift. So therefore also we see here that this is sell side swept here, and already in the market structure shift we are sweeping the buy side. So first sell side, then buy side. Therefore this is a from here to here, this is a dealing range. This is called a dealing range. So since this is a dealing range, we are supposed to take trade from the bottom portion, bottom 50% of the dealing range. So we find this fair value gap here in this bottom 50% portion of this dealing range, and so we were bullish from here, just from the top of this fair value gap, keeping our stop loss just below this swing low, and target is up to the next drawn liquidity, which is today's high already. So it made a high here. We kept our target at that high only, keeping our reward to risk 2.4:1. So as you can see, price first taps into this bullish fair value gap and plays around it, consolidate for a good amount of time, and then suddenly jumps towards the bullish direction and gives us profit around 2 p.m. So that was the second trade. And about the first trade, actually I explained already. I entered from here and exited as a part of my trailed stop loss. So I trailed my stop loss here. So as it turns out, if I had not drilled my stop loss, it would have given me the target here. But anyway, that I cannot predict. Also, the price movement is quite erratic here. First down, then up, then totally down, then again totally up. So too much ranging type of scenario. It is very difficult to predict all those things. So I am happy for that I closed this trade at a trailing stop loss with a small amount of profit. And then this Hindustan Copper gave me 2.4:1. So overall, it is almost like 3:1 for today. So that's it for today. Let us see what happens tomorrow. Thank you very much.